Easy money, go suck out your mother. Take it to the media. Pussy your name Jack here.
No man, hold on there. Another man will sing, I swear I would be a better man. And a Jack Cura move so, cause Cura good something. Him a move like Ja virus. Welcome to Talk Truth Jamaica. These leaked voice notes once again put Jacure in the hot seat. Wagwan people, it's your girl CC. This rapper, who goes by the name of Easy Money, is exposing Jacure for payments made from 2016. Wait, hold on. That's almost 5 years now, apparently to do some business, but Jacure don't seem to be acting very businesslike, according to these voice notes.
Easy money, go suck out your mother. Take it to the media. Pussy your name Jack here. Nobody think you feel like me a punk. Me connected in a Jamaica, you tell me about don't worry. I thump in your face when me see your street. And push the tree gun down your mouth. Boy, let me tell you this, don't test me here. Bro, stop blood clot, text me and send the PayPal. Pussy, and I hear something in the while and I'm chatting with you. I want to hear it. Because you and your father, pussy hole, your father come text me overnight and I'm asleep. Let me tell you something. I tell you already from a long time, so Easy Money, so if you continue to call me, I gotta just run back your money. I'm rich. And I can't stop telling you this. You don't know nothing about me and my life and my friend. Brother, you want me to show you my text?
Surprise, surprise. I have a bonus clip for my viewers as long as you watch this video in its entirety.
Easy Money, go suck out your mother. Take it to the media. I want you get frustrated some peace.
This is what Mr. Easy Money had to say via Instagram. Over 4 years now since I know Jacure. My father put a down payment for me and him to do a song together. He agreed to do it. We paid him in 2016. Guys, the first payment. Years went by, of course. Jacure didn't even attempt to record one line for the song. This was before I was verified and was still coming up. Just last year, now he texts me to pay the full payment. Mind me, I think he's trying to say mind you. Mind me, he has never attempted to record the song after we paid him to start the song. So me and my father send him the last payment to record the song for the feature because he begged me. I have the voice notes also between me and him. Laugh out loud. This is crazy. I'm telling you, the man hunt me down. I can't reach Jackie the money I talk about hunt him down. Big man, stop tell lie. The man hunt me down and said, let's get it done, bro. We pay him and almost a year now, still no song. Now we confront him about it and this is his response we get. It's sad because Cure is an artist I actually really looked up to and his true colors showed, especially in the 50 other voice notes. Woohoo! I have in my phone with him cussing me out, my father, and the DJs again. LOL. I can't make this shit up. I will never work with him again. But you never get to work with him in the first place, sir. Horrible businessman and a scammer. Oh my gosh, this is not good at all. A wise man should always have money in his head and not his heart. Jacure is always, for some reason, boasting how rich he is.
Talk truth.
Jacure should be grateful for the blessings of wealth, but should not let it fool him. His feet is still on the ground, maybe just wearing a better pair of shoes. The truth between Jacure and Easy Money is still unknown, because obviously these leaked voice notes are just exposing Jacure shenanigans. I don't know if Mr. Easy said or did something to trigger Jacure. Diabolical use of words. Either way, I believe as a public figure / role model who represents brand Jamaica, Cure needs to learn to better handle his emotions. Gifted and very talented. I am still a fan of his music. Jackie just needs to behave his mouth. Viewers and subscribers, what are your thoughts? Remember, share the video to keep your family and friends in the know. Here is the bonus clip as we promised.
Bye, Bob Moran! Bye! Bye, Bob Moran! Bye, Bob Moran! Bye, Bob Moran! Bye, Bob Moran!
What's the matter with you?
Vamos, chupa!
Oh my God. Who you think win the fight, people? Tell me, who won the fight? Hey, Ray and Nephew not playing, no? Roma serious something.